What up, y'all? My name is Kev, and you know tuned in to RC Street Boss. Before I start, I just want y'all to give me 5 seconds, man, just to like and subscribe to my video, please, man. So, 1, 2, 5, let's get it. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Supra GT4, made from Traxxas, sponsored by Toyota. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this today, man. I mean, I gotta give a big shout out to my boy for this one. I mean, my boy looked out for this one. I mean, so trying to find a blade so we can start unboxing it, see how we can unbox it. I mean, I'm trying to see how. I'll find it. I'll figure it out. Give me a minute, y'all. Yep. There we go. Got some different tires. I'm gonna put the boxes out for a second, yo. I'm gonna get back to the box. Let's get the car off first. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got the basic TQ regular controller. This is good though. This is good. Doing this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. See, one thing I like with Traxxas, it come with the clip-on body. See, just put your fingers right there, and it popped up easy. And the body, of course, you can see a little BMW inside of the body. And designed by BMW. There it is. They did a good job going over the whole thing if you look at it. The colors, the back. And if you look, it's a 2-piece. You could take this off if you want to. It's a 2-piece, the back. The 2-piece. Got the light. You ain't got no light. No, nothing to put no lights. It's a little cheaper than the other one, than the 3.0. There we go. We got a 12-turn motor, 12, and 550 motor. Oh, these wheels is nice. These wheels is nice. And you got a ESC, you got the XL5, and you could put a 2S LiPo inside of it. I got a 2S LiPo, so I can show you how to drive. So you can put a 2S LiPo inside of it. And in the manual, as you see, it come with a speed gate, premium gate. The basic tool and the basic manual. Let's see. Hold on, let me compare it to the other of my 14. If you look, this one, look at the side. It's a lot, this one is a lot bigger. I guess this one is more for drifting. And it's on the same 3.0 shorter base. That's all about it. This is different. The splitter is different. This is different, and the chassis is different. Everything else is on this. If you look, same clip-on body, the same thing, but this one look a little more detailed, and this one don't. If you look in the back, it don't have as much detail as. See, this one look a little cheaper, but the color is nice though. The color is really nice. It looks nice, so nice together. If you take a close look with the body, I mean, this body look mad cheap. Look at how it is compared to this one. Because this stiff, this one body is more stiffer than the new one. I mean, see, this one is more flexible. It's alright. Look pretty anyway. Thank you so much. We just unboxed the new Toyota Supra. You're licensed by Supra. And hey, one more thing. Not only you can't even get these in Canada. It's not located in Canada as yet. So if you want it, you could call me, contact me, comment in my comment box, and I get it for you. You know, we set up something and I can get it for you. So please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.